My fellow Malawians, the time has come. This is our moment. The future of our country is in your hands. On the 16th of September, we decide the future. I'm asking you to come out, cast your vote, and stand with me. Together, we can build a Malawi that works for everyone. Do not stay at home. Do not let your voice be silent. Every vote matters. Your vote is your power. Your vote is your future. Let us make history together. Let us vote for hope, for unity, and for progress. On election day, I need you. Malawi needs you. Come and vote. Vote Atupele Muluzi for Malawi's future.